Let's go, Sibling Rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. If it's your first time here, we love to have you here and welcome.
With me, Talita Ndima.
And him, Zuko Ndima.
Welcome to it, guys.
Yeah, welcome, guys. If it's your first time, where have you been? But we're glad you made it. And if it's your, what episode are we on? 76.
76.
If it's your 76th time, well, you know what it is.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah.
We're back again doing what we love to do. And apparently what you guys love us to do. So it's like a win-win. Ansaitan, the sun.
we pray.
But yeah, we seem to all be having a good time. So I'm pretty happy.
So, how's your week? Awusaphunga intombi.
Well, problem is I just come out of something that looked like resembled a flu. Couple of weeks out from Comrades. So every day touches a move now.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, yeah, I did something stupid. I forgot that it was like cold. I went for a run without stretching, and
Also, even if it was warm, why would you run without stretching?
it's a bad, nasty habit, bro.
Yeah.
And pulled something, so I was trying to get that sorted out today. So I'm all taped up. Maybe I just need to chill for the next 2 days, hopefully, max, and then I can get back to it.
You know how stressed I am about this conference? I know I was telling you earlier, but I just don't want to see anything that's written COM. No, afterwards.
Really?
I'll full no
I'm the complete opposite. Everything about COM, I go and I look and I watch. I binge watch. You must see like my YouTube history.
Yeah.
It's just raids, bro. Raids the entire way. Because I'm just like, I want to, get as much information as possible, as if it's going to make it easy.
What about your feet?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
So that's just, and I've noticed that a lot of people are just like, I'm not even, and a lot of people are just like, that just makes me so anxious when I see a video. And I'm like, I'm the total opposite. Relax,
That's so wild.
I feel like for some reasons if I watch enough videos or something, I don't know.
So, I know it's Pietermaritzburg to Durban. Is it sometimes Durban to Pietermaritzburg?
Yes, that's the up run.
But then they say the down run is the difficult one.
Yeah, apparently.
Yo, okay. Are you in your life this past week?
No. No, nothing out of the ordinary. It's just been like the normal stuff. I always think when I'm going through my week, well, hey, I must write this down and talk about it with my siblings. Then
that's why I got this book. I'm like, because I know I'm going to forget.
I'm the worst, yeah. So I feel like my life is a lot more exciting, guys, than I make it out to be on this show.
Angiyazibhala mna mshanam. Awuzobuza nini ba yami iveki?
How's your week?
Amazing. Oh,
yeah.
What a great week. It's like what?
If I didn't ask you, you're surely going to ask yourself.
Definitely, I'm so privileged.
Yeah?
It's like I've been under a cloud for like 5 months, and then ngoku ilanga liyavela. Lechileka
Chama dama namanzi.
Halala.
Yabona lo intombi yasebhayi masimpheni igama masithi nguThalita.
So there's this week just specifically has been filled with like dope emails, dope phone calls.
Nice.
Yes, where I know I was watching just TikTok the other day, and Guko Musisi, this lady, I forgot igama lakhe. And she was like, hi, ke bethunana. This is the era of revelations. This is the era of find out. And I was like, find out. And nobody wants to do that. But obviously that has positive connotations as well. But basically she was saying, this is the era about izinto will come to light. And I was like, oh man, I really wish. The next day, I was like,
based on what was that though?
What?
The era based on what?
I don't know what the science is, but I don't know if it's got to do with like the stars aligning and the moons or whatever, but it's like a spiritual situation.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I was watching that, I was like, oh my gosh, I wish. And anyway, I'm in a good space.
Thina lo emails kaloku Tom.
Kaloku ngizokwazi uzicela Fondini.
Goba.
Oh, Fondini.
No, we had this conversation on like an episode
yes,
a while ago.
yeah.
That's also a way of bringing them into life. You understand?
Yes,
so for example, Bekswang.
No, going to yesipani ngathi yavela. Kancane. I went to
Okay.
I went to Durban to watch the derby, the Nedbank. And that was the best thing that has happened to me in a long time. Big rent.
Nah.
You know I like to watch sport, and it was absolutely amazing.
Nah, he had a great time.
Yes, and then I had an epiphany while I was there. Because I was watching everyone, obviously mostly men in the stadium, and watching just how like emotional amadoda get with soccer, right? Yeah. To a place where you're just like, people are crying. People are extremely happy. There's so much emotion in their body, right? And that is caused by 22 men kicking a ball, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? We as women get emotional with such different things. Like completely different to what men can possibly get emotional for. And then sifunu tibana and be in the same emotional state with someone whose emotional triggers are so different. Which is why obviously we're gonna fight, we're not gonna understand each other, no. Because we are in a different place to get emotion. And I was like, oh, this makes so much sense now. Why there's always discourse with relationships or in the relationship space. It's because sifuna the same thing, but we're made in such a different way.
Yeah, we reach that destination in such different ways.
Oh yes, 100%.
No, definitely. I absolutely agree. And also, I think on that point, I'm also just like, I attended an information session, afternoon program in Nkonzweni last week, and I don't think I would want to be a woman anymore.
Oh, you changed your mind? Yeah. It took 1 week. You were up in arms last week.
No, yeah.
Why? What happened?
Right. So the topic about it be perimenopause.
Yo! So I'm guessing you learned things you didn't know about.
Dangam.
What did you learn?
I just learned about. Wow. This is something like the lady says, Siskoli says, this is something that every woman goes through.
At some point, yeah.
And I'm now just like, yo, no, bro. I mean, how difficult is it to plan yourself when you're having a hot flash? Only to find out, but hot flash is one out of 1,000 things that either happen or can happen to you.
Possibly happen, yes. And you don't know which ones are going to happen to you until
and you can't choose. And you know what made me finally say, but Danki siyabonga nkulunkulu, was the fact that I was like, so what are you telling me is that all of these things are symptoms, and I can't go and get a prescription for one pill as I by menopause, right? Funeka treat symptom by symptom, nendingazaziyo symptoms. I was just like, that is unfair, mate.
Yeah.
That.
You were like, yes, boni periods, I boni giving birth. Kanti perimenopause is the one.
I was just like, andizokwazi.
Kunzima, bruh. Hey, and kusezo banzima.
My eyes were open, bro, and I was just like, no. I was so sad. And I was just like, "Yes, I lied to you. kuyabuza uba what do you know about menopause? That it's because it's when as a woman you put men on pause. Ha ha ha. Kandiwo. Symptoms.
It's bad out here, man.
Lema uyakwazi omnye abanye abantu bayakwazi bedizzy.
Uhlelele.
Physical imbalance. No ways. Cela uxolo. I spoke very carelessly.
Speaking to the camera, please.
If you want something, because they understand, but I'm only but a man. I'm just a man. I'll call you in, guys. I think that exercise just made me respect all of you so much more. And yeah, no, guys, we are here to support you. So yeah, kuhlala ezimotweni sicofa ifone for an hour xa sisuka emisebenzini.
Nizothini?
Sawungena and just face the dragon.
The dragon city.
Double dragon. No, but besides the joke, I tell you that not everything is a joke.
What? So you mean the dragon coming?
I'm sorry, but you guys know what I mean. Like,
okay, nihlalela nemoto nicofa phone in the first place.
Because you're just like, I don't know what I'm gonna get. Lucky packet when I walk in this house. I can get, I love you so much. Or I can get, what's going on? Nuksela kakabi.
Tough out here, bro. Tough. And this is the thing. Yeah. Also, you have like a 7-year period before you're actually going through menopause that's almost preparing you for menopause.
Menopause Lagos lasts up between 4 and 10 years.
Yes.
4 years, didn't see years. No. Give me.
No,
I
hear you, man.
That was hectic. That was absolutely mind blowing for me, and I walked out of there feeling so like bad. I was just like, this is iconized.
Yeah. Also, there's just a lot of things that people just don't know.
Yeah.
And ngabantu abahlala nawe. And that like suffer in silence.
Yeah. I think, Puff, put it out into the universe. I hope, man, I can get you to meet that lady.
So that?
She's got a wealth of information.
Does she have information about how to help?
I mean, yeah, that's part of it also. What do you mean? Yeah, but how to help? Because remember, in order to help, you must first understand. So you start with the understanding and then you can get to the other part. Ne?
Yeah. I'm terrified because I'm there at any home. So ingabi siqalile already. I don't know.
Because you must remember, you understand?
Okay. Tell us more.
The metrosexual man of the millennium.
I know.
But the general age is like from 45. That's when it's kind of like, but other people get it early.
Yeah.
I think the earliest Nancy Gard case was, I think the girl was like 13 or something.
Oh.
And but at that stage, you're not even looking for it. So all of these things are happening to you.
We are cool.
We are cool and home to think back was the tin. You know what I mean? So there's people who also get it early.
Ew.
And there's people who get it late.
Yeah.
It's a lot of information and naman funu ropa male information. But also she's also written a book and I want to put the link in bio. Guys, I'm gonna put the link in the bio so you guys can have a look at that. And dog, it's just just mind blowing. Sorry,
it's not fun anymore. And then now ngokusemsebenzini okoqala ushushu unesiyezi, but now you must work. Uyalibala, but you must produce like you
black out. Uyablenga. I know ways, guys.
But you must produce like you're 25. But there's so much going wrong. And then if feelings zakho zi up and off nazo.
Guys. Like so many things as balileo, bruh. Ngapha zi insomnia, ngapha zi fatigue, ne tiredness, ngapha is non-interest in people of the male nature. Hey. Andihleki, guys. It's such a like.
Ngoku umuntu wakho wants to love on you. Xa ukufikile endlini. Oh, we should be the ones in the garage for an hour. Usafuna undiphuza.
Hey, yo. Ngaske ndilile.
And uyamthanda ne, but andifuna ndibuze. Makangandijongi actually. Cela ngandijongi namhla angathethi nam. Ngasikalale kwenye room.
And uzoyicommunicate kanjani loo nto nomntu? And then say to them, it's not you.
It's not you, ndim chongi.
No, guys, it's wild.
It's wild out here,
But
man.
yeah, I think education is key, man. I think the more we know and the more knowledge we have, the better we are.
This is the thing. If umuntu wakho uyayazi or you've taken the time out to make them understand, they're gonna be like, okay, now namhlanje lala bye, that or wherever.
No, I understand, but it's just that it's always obviously tricky when something is happening in a situation reality right now. When you not wanting to interact with me coincides with me wanting to interact with you, sit down, ndihlale phansi ndicela basele ngemini yami ukujonge ebusweni. Or ndifuna ukhamfathwa nguwe, ndifuna ihug.
Unuka kwa i-breath.
Yile nto ntshoyo kaloku.
Nesiyezi breath yakho.
I'm telling you. Not everything is a joke.
Yeah, but that's the reality of the situation. You know what I mean? And then you suffer in silence because you don't want to hurt your feelings zomntu wakho.
Oh no, guys. I'm so sad. Like, it makes me so sad, man.
I'm glad you have this information. I'm glad that you've come to a place where you're just like, wow, okay, well, because now you're going to be on the lookout for ezozinto in your partner. Do you know what I mean?
But ilena ntshoyo kaloku mna foni ilena ntshoyo bafuneka ndiyilook out loo nto leyo. Partner, the friends, colleagues,
family
members, you understand? But then also there's the danger when diagnose anincame kaloku.
And but
Sathi pew. Oh, yeah, Perry. Like, no, not Nando's Perry. Perry.
But then kukhona abantu abasileyo nje. So awuzumazi ba umuntu uyagezela okanye umuntu uphethe izinto.
You see, this is the whole thing.
Yeah.
And I was just like, you're in the work situation that can also work out to be so crazy. Exactly. I'm experiencing this. I'm experiencing to age range.
So it's possible.
Wow! There's too many things that are a problem.
Yeah, no, look,
it is what it is.
I'm glad this came to you. I'm really happy. Yeah. And I'm hoping that Hlambi, amanye amadoda, or even some women actually, because some women aren't like really aware of.
Correct. And yeah, because sometimes you won't have been exposed to someone who's going through it. And even though you were exposed to someone that went through it, sometimes you didn't know what it was. You just think that your mom's a witch. When she actually really isn't. Do you know what I mean? Or Ruban Banu 1010. You know what I mean? So, yeah, there's a lot of misinformation, man. A lot of things that need to
wise up.
Yeah, talk for everyone. So to your point, Nyani, I think it's for everyone. Yeah, wild. But be that as it may. So guess 10 years old. Ibukele ibhola ke ngoku kwenza baso nabantu bethu kwenza basizokwazi feel the same thing.
What do you mean?
Kaloku besithetha ngebhola ne-emotions.
Funny story. Mna, I feel like I get like emotional when I watch.
But you like football.
Yeah, because I like football, right? But when Kuchiwe must
yeah.
Jonga phansi fonini because uqala kwam le journey you were excited.
Okay,
so now you can't even look at me ndiyeke.
Sorry. Thank you Bawo for featuring her. Pinch her. Ngiyabonga ngempela mfowethu.
Uba okay uyabukela gogo. Sorry. Careful.
Okay, now hold on.
Yeah.
Qualifying question.
Yeah.
Aphe sejam uhleli ndawoni.
Awuhlele ebhokisini zo. Imagine uKhucho usedebeni uhlala extra strong.
Stop it. It's about the vibe. Stop it. Ubumnandi buphaya ezitendini ebantwini.
Uyakwazi ububona kaloku ubumnandi. You don't have to partake.
Okay.
Kona ivuvuzelela.
So bulapha chomi.
Ewe chomi. Ewe msasazi. Middle center lavi.
Sayithandi le era. Yeah.
Princess, I'm in my princess era. So ke uba wena.
I'm so sorry.
Sibukela, I'm like here, right? I've got vested interests, my team's the Chiefs. I'm like, yo. So I'm standing up, I'm going, hi, Johnny. No, it's a red carpet. Ref, ref.
Maybe I must go and watch the replay of that tape. Because by the one of us dandy sometimes actually going through the footage, yeah.
And then so I keep saying, yo, did you see that? I was like, I was like, oh my God. Very calm, gent. Not a shout, not a nothing. Just a young smile. Because I was like, also, this your team, bruh. So it's like, cheers. So I was like, at the end, I was like, we won! He was like...
we won!
He looked at me like, I've been here the whole time. Like, I'm right here, dude.
Oh, man.
But I just thought it was cute. Like, I was just like, oh, man, like, it's cool that you're here. It's cool that you made this experience for me. So this was amazing. So I can, needless to say, kusaqhutshwa.
Oh, okay. So nithini kanye senze nistrayivile uyedebheni kanye flying. Yeah. Ndiyabuza.
None of your business.
Fly ingathi kani I hope can't fly economy ke uye Durban.
Oh, 45 minutes unto fly business class. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Kulungile
ke hayi ndiyavuyela.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Ichoy update ke.
Phambili ngemo
ngikhutshiwe fana.
I feel like wow, isn't segment yakhe.
Just before Khosanes makungene Gabawo.
Endo Gabawo, masimpeni igama. Masithi Gabawo.
I think he likes it actually. All right, so are you ready for Khosanes?
Yeah, for sure, definitely.
The Khosanes of it all.
Dog.
So this one is specifically for you.
Okay.
Someone DM'd. I need to ask people to DM rise up.
Whoa, ani ndiphoxile bantu bam khange nindiyeme neyi-1 ke mna ke.
Abantu bakho Instagram sana babhizi ngezinye izinto. So umsiyana Jake says, "Hey sis Tali, that's so cute also. Nansi eyami modern day rai for utama izuzu."
Ayike. Yeah.
Right. Dinamizi yam ilawulwa.
Yini? Mingaphi le mizi?
It doesn't say. Dinamizi yam ilawulwa ngamagundwana.
Dinamizi yam
Yes.
ilawulwa ngamagundwana.
Yes.
Yeah.
And just think it's a modern day one, so you know.
Yoki.
Indoni?
Yoki. Indoni? Yoki ligama laseKapa ne?
Yeah.
Thina bhayisithi into?
Amatyotyombe.
Ityotyombe,
Yoki is not a tyotyombe.
No.
What is it?
Yoki is a back room. Not ityotyombe. Tyotyombe, i-back room ayikwazi uba can't exist if ayikho i-4
Indoni gali?
Ityotyombe.
Okay.
Yes.
But that's like
Emagalini,
East London
ihlala emagalini.
Yes.
Yes. So, i-back room
Yeah.
yoki ebhayi kuthiwa yino awuyazi
Yes, man. You doing?
cabin kuthiwa ndibamba phaa kume cabin eback so okay, my guess is yoki or cabin or back room
Tennis olalwa ngamagundwane cabin dog.
because usually
It's made of bricks and there's a door. Like tennis olalwa ngam. Okay. Because usually. Okay.
bakutya nenonye lying around phaa
Oh, because I was covered and stuff.
Umntu mhlawumbe ethatha iplate endlini ahambe ityele cabin.
And then angayibuyisi plate ihlale phansi kwebhedi.
Nantso ke.
I like that. But that's
Nesnacks kaloku i-cabin inothanda uba nesnacks.
like girl. Ndibelele girl go slow.
Ngisasothuka ngoku uba hayi bo Tamabheka uyintoni kwi-Doritos wena
Zange sakubona sitye chips.
uqala uzawufuna apha waqala uzawufuna ilusi neswekile rand into ngoku Jini ilawulwa ngamagundwane
Okay, I'm just gonna tell you.
simpuku noma ugundwane same thing
Yeah.
interchangeable.
So the answer is a computer. You look into them through windows and command them with a mouse.
Heavy.
How cool! I thought that was so smart.
That's very heavy. That should have been in English, right? Because the answer can't be in English then. A computer. The computer is close.
The computer.
Well, with a K.
Computer.
I love it for him.
I hate this.
My imputer is my favorite one. Oh man, that's excellent.
And that's a word I know from you. Yes.
That's really, really cool.
All right, usiphethelele namhlanje.
Namhlanje niniphathele another episode of Let's Play a Game.
My favorite episodes, by the way.
So I was looking for categories for Let's Play a Game, and there are categories that are kind of a little bit, I'll call it more generic. So I'll need you to choose
Okay.
between playing the categories that is more generic or the category that's more kind of sibling based in the sense
Generic.
of Lisa, guys, she hates anything and then a sibling. No, you do. Like outside of this podcast, bro.
What do you mean?
Outside of this podcast, now you don't even a sibling, but oh, cute. No, like I'm not Klasha Lion. It's not your style. Like your vibe, yako. Would you?
Oh my gosh.
In a world where you got to look back on your life and choose, would you choose to have siblings or not?
Definitely, I would.
Really?
You're like my favorite person.
Dog, you give off these like only child wannabe vibes so much, bro. That's so wild.
I'm just hard on the exterior because I'm super soft on the inside.
Okay. Kulungile ke Kinder Joy. Okay, let me look for the generic ones then, since you don't want to play the sibling ones.
No, we can
No,
play
it's fine. I've got them. They're all here.
All right.
It's just they save them in different places
Save
here.
it for next time.
For next time, ne?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But can I just ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
Right? Okay. I want to ask you all these questions.
Oh, fine, then go.
Okay, no. So, would you rather swap lives with your sibling for a month, or have your sibling swap lives with you for a month?
It's not a swap if we're not swapping each other's lives, though, right? Okay. Your life seems so busy, but
Like my call to you this morning.
way
busy.
you were open up this morning, I was like, I wonder about Indoni because I don't think I'd make it. I wouldn't make it in like a day in the life of Zukondima.
So you'd rather I swap and have your life?
Yeah, you'd have a good time.
You think so?
Okay, let's carry on. I like that. Give me more.
Next time.
Okay. Whatever you want. This is your thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, we'll do that next. We'll
Okay,
do
sure.
the sibling one next.
Okay.
Guys, you know what it is. Must you let us know whether we should continue with this line of questioning or if this other generic Funong Talita works better. Okay, cool. We're going to talk a little bit about superpowers.
Okay.
Would you rather have the ability to read minds or the ability... Bruh, you're always answering questions before I finish.
I never take them back, do I? Okay.
Would you rather have the ability to read minds or the ability to control time?
Read minds. I have no problem with time.
Okay. I would also definitely. Like now, I think about it more often than not. Minds.
Yeah. Why?
Because you can control the world if you can read minds.
100%. Uyazi umuntu xa exokusela, uyazi umuntu xa uzokunika la tender. You know things. Ungabu ufukuza apa ubusy kanti. Ugesa kanti, you're not getting anywhere. But also it will also make the relationship space so much easier. One ba hele chap iyandilanduka actually.
But the pinungamshi, bro. Like, as easy, you don't even have to read minds. Yeah, boy, we are shy. But kapa tinjamtanda amosanditi. So you stay anyways. That's not a reading mind thing. That's just
it is. I would love that because sometimes you're not sure. Sometimes you're just like, I wonder, like, ucinga ntoni ngam. I wonder.
I'm here. That should tell you something.
Oh, being here doesn't mean much, bro.
Oh, God.
I'm only here because andinakutya pakwam.
I hate my cooking skills. I do not want to die of food poisoning.
In my hands.
Because it's Nabo is giving suicide. Oh no!
And men will do like the wildest things. For weekend,
it's called problem solving.
This is why I want to get into your mind. So in the door, I'm like, this one's here for food. Dingaben City. Oh, we spent the whole weekend together. Kanti. We are here for Jomi.
Oh, wild.
Next.
Sibling yakho.
Ndiyayazi manje. Akhondo ngayithethiyo.
Really? You wouldn't want to read your siblings' mind, but ucinga ntoni lo muntu ngam nyan.
I don't think
I
so.
would. Definitely.
I know you would.
I would,
I
definitely.
know you would.
Because I just feel like, why is there never any negative feedback? Everything I do is righty, creative. It's giving no opportunity of growth. Wow, character development elsewhere. I'm here to love you.
Negative.
Hey, I'm trying.
Does that annoy you?
It doesn't annoy me.
It just concerns you.
Yeah, I've just got a certain thing about it. Like, you feel like, son. And the island we end up on the run.
Oh, those have been so amazing. Oh, by the way, you see, case in point. If you guys don't know, Uzuko has started his running podcast. It's called The Jan on the Run. It's in our network. We have 4 shows in our network. And his first episode is out. Second episode will probably be out by the time this comes out.
Yes.
And even if awubale Kim Chanam, which I don't, ngibukele first episode and I was so taken. I was so impressed. It's great storytelling and like the way interview ngakhona cho mntathi kanti uyakwazi.
Really? We need to sit down and see debrief because you can find a lengthy feedback.
Okay, no problem. So if you guys haven't seen it, please just check it out. It's on our podcast. I mean, it's on our YouTube and it's on our Spotify, and it's called Ityan on the Run. Number 1. Snap programs, that's a form channel.
Yeah, no, we're rocking them.
That's 4 times a week.
Yeah, we're rocking them. We're rocking them.
Okay, let's continue.
Generations better watch out. Would you rather eat pizza every day for the rest of your life?
Nope.
Or never eat pizza again?
Never eat pizza again. And you?
I mean, can we change flavors?
Of course you can, but come on,
Fair.
dog.
We rock.
It's like it's kisonga and cheese every day.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it is.
Fair. Melted cheese.
Yes.
And it's warm. Sign me up.
Would you eat pizza every day?
Yeah.
That's wild.
Or not eat it at all.
Yeah.
I suppose there's a lot of other options
I might
outside
have
of
had pizza once this year. I condoned it, but only pizza namhlanje. Never.
I'm Nanda.
And I like pizza. I'm not mad at
Nah?
it. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
You want to pizza?
Would you rather have a smartphone that never dies but can only call one person, or a phone that runs out of battery instantly but has unlimited apps?
What's the point?
Okay, let's call it iPhone Pila going charger.
I'm calling one
life
person.
support.
I would rather have iyandikhathaza kwa iPhone, but like I would rather have iPhone engapheli battery that I can call anyone. That I can call one person. Because
Okay.
I'm hardly calling anyone anyway.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's a cost stress winner.
And who would that person be?
Otherwise the business is all torn.
Such a cheat, bro. Yeah, you're such a cheat.
I call you the most out of anyone in my life.
Well, I would have phone Pilange life support.
Kuba.
Turns out it's like golf. Guys, man, it's like golf.
But if you go plug-in, so
It's fine now.
Icimile. You can't even get lost. But you can't even get lost. People.
Which is how people used to live 15 years ago.
Yeah, but we're not living 15 years ago. We're living right now, bro.
No,
Ayizukwazi nokuxelela bakho kwi-traffic, ayizukwazi nokuxelela bakho kwamapolisa.
But it's fine, andaba. Uyafuna uyicofa xa.
Yo, angaske ndingayicofi kwa phone. Oh, I'm so over it. Oh. Anyway, I need a new one though.
Moving to the animal kingdom. Would you rather be able to talk to animals but no one believes you? Or be able to talk to humans but only in riddles? Hi, Sisi, what would you like to order? Rai.
Songa samal.
Sisonga sibiyelwe ngesausage. I-creme grass yele.
There's nothing I want to say to animals.
Really?
I'm trying to think, when was the last time I saw an animal? So teeny. Hey, how's your day going? Nothing an animal can tell me that I want to know.
I went to Lion and Safari Park, right? And we were looking there, and then see a question staple, say hyena. Oh,
Hyenas are so
the wild dog and stuff. And I was literally like, I wish I could talk to this thing. Like, but nangam poregi kule cage.
Hey, when poregi lam chana. Then what? What a boring conversation. No, bro. So would you rather talk to animals?
For
what? No.
No, don't you find like animal lives? Well, you don't. Like fish. Like I was feeding the fish yesterday, and I was just like, if when you know what's job, if when you like in the lives of these
Those fish of yours, what are their names again?
bacon or egg.
This is so cute. I love fish. You guys are making them fat so that you can eat them.
Not at all.
They're cute. I mean, they're pretty.
They're very because you
what
throw
are
in
they
the pellets and then they're.
They're koi.
No, they're goldfish.
Oh, aren't they big?
No, they've grown, but they're like.
Oh,
this big
goldfish
now.
get that big?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay. What fish easy wants to talk to. I don't know fishes out.
Guys, so what's happening?
Nothing. We're swimming in circles.
Winter's coming up.
Hey, look at that's telling warm. If I was an animal, I'd be so spicy. Indoni ungibuza yona bra. Indoni. Ungarayid ukubuze lolo.
Ubuthi fish uthi can khupha apha unxiba izihudi. Unubona something. Okay. Would you rather explore outer space for a year or the deep ocean for a year? Whoa.
The deep ocean. As scared as I am of the ocean.
Ne?
Yeah.
But what makes you scared of the ocean is what is drowning.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
Now
but now, grand.
Yeah.
Oh, no, definitely the ocean.
But the outer space?
Kubona noni planets ezingena nix.
Wasn't that nix?
Nix.
Okay, sure. Okay. Yeah, deep ocean I think could be so much more interesting.
Oh, 100%.
Because you see, and now you're guaranteed by Isha. So you can see sea life, you can see
exactly.
like all of these things. Iningazi understand here for niyobukela seahorse. Iphila pa. Oh. Like yeah, like marine life also very like it's very interesting. I find it very interesting.
Look, if I knew that Zukoni aliens, if I knew for a fact Bazkona, maybe outer space.
Yeah, but now not guaranteeing about this.
I'm just visiting.
The same way that
that's such an American rhetoric. Oh my gosh. We're not that interesting as humans.
Also, they're just like, sing as the animals go.
Oh,
you have a pet your alien. And you could say, and no, I would be crying. Music, would you rather be able to play any musical instrument instantly or have the ability to sing any song perfectly no matter the genre?
No, the instruments.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I think instruments are more impressive. I get impressed
100%.
way more instrument.
Everyone can sing. I mean, a lot of people can sing, you know. But when someone plays one instrument well, I'm like, wow.
Yes.
So now if I can play all of them, yay!
Oh, piano.
Yeah, obviously, I'd love to master that. But I'm also the violin, I think is so
really?
dope. Yeah.
How come no one goes on the violin lessons?
Yes, I was there doing the violin lessons.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask Zanyiwe.
And I know.
Violin.
Yeah, bro. No violin. Auntie Janet. Yo, what's up, Auntie Janet?
Can 90s tell you that's violin? Siziyekelele in life. Kesigla candle ndondon ngokubonela lando.
I've heard such bad reviews.
Oh really?
Oh
wow.
I haven't heard anyone say anything nice about Lando.
Oh, I had someone send me something on Instagram. You must go check this out.
Do you want to go?
I mean, then I looked at the playlist and then I was just like, usabandan bazi. So bazi like kudlala Coldplay. Oh, Beatles. Oh, you understand?
Yeah, I listen to it on Spotify.
Okay. Would you rather have unlimited... don't answer. Would you rather have...
Yes.
Would you rather have unlimited money?
Yes.
But only be able to shop at one store? This is lovely. Or a limited budget that has access to any store.
Yeah, second option. Yeah.
Limited budget.
Yeah.
Limited budget, let's say limited budget yakho 150 ngenyanga.
115 don, 150,000.
150 rand, but you can stack it up. If you don't use the 150 this month, you can use it
Per
300
month.
next month.
So
Yeah.
150 times 12, imali encinci naleyo mos.
Yeah.
Oh no, man. No,
Okay.
also why are you putting these
Cap on it. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm also trying to think of like one store that I could get everything from. Like I can't think of non-gay macro.
Phone. Zikhona impahla.
Zikhona impahla,
Khona into
zikhona
zimali,
electronics.
ne-apply.
Yeah. I changed my answer. Yeah, one store, bro. One store, unlimited budget. Kwam kuzabe kutheni fonini. Khona into ingekhoyo.
Ujame kumsithengise sana.
100%. I'm making money, bro. I'm not losing money. I'm making money. When ungatikete.
Many stores. The me that I want to be says many stores with limited budget. The me that I am, because I'm so indecisive, says one store. Because I'm indecisive as a person. I'm very indecisive.
What do you want to be? Decisive by making this decision of one store?
Yes, I want to then learn to be decisive. But okay, yes, I can compare and make a decision. Ingxaki decisions. So in me not liking to make decisions, what I tend to do then is either let the other person make the decision or make the same decision over and over and over and over again.
I don't like having decisions pending.
Nah?
Yeah, which is why I decide quickly.
Ukwenza buzayivala la window. Yeah. Yeah, I want to struggle with making decisions.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
Oh, what you wanna eat? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, okay. Would you rather live in the world of your favorite movie for 1 week or live in your favorite TV show for a lifetime?
Favorite TV show, definitely.
Which is what?
I don't know.
Favorite movie yakho wayichaza God. But you must watch it.
Bridesmaids.
Yes.
Okay, we need a date.
My son's a date.
Okay.
Yeah, let's definitely make it a date.
On Sunday.
Would you rather be extremely intelligent but physically weak, or very strong but not so sharp?
No, bro. I know a lot of those guys. Life doesn't seem fun for this truck.
What do you mean? They're having the time of their lives.
No, 100%, but it doesn't seem fun from the outside looking in.
Okay.
But yeah, the first one. What is the first one? Weak but intelligent.
Yeah. Extremely intelligent but
yeah.
very weak.
Yeah.
It's like la we bamhlamba sithi mhlambi sindwa licephe. Oh, Glev. Extremely weak, you can't be like extremely weak. No, you can't bench press 200. No, that doesn't count. Sindwa licephe. But uclever ne, so ungenza umchino zakhisa.
Nazoke. Yeah, sure.
That will take you 6 months to develop.
When look at Dave.
I'm clever.
Being strong so that what? So this is Pakamisin seems like this teeny ngobu strong bam.
Uzawutya. Kwazi kondlula ibhedi yakho.
Oh, I'm extremely intelligent, so I'm making enough money so that ndenzelwe ezi zinto ndingakwazi uzenza.
Okay.
Yay! Tabra!
Man, ndizibone ndisitya. Okay. The last one, would you rather have a perfect day of relaxation with no interruptions or the perfect day of adventure full of surprises?
Oh, for sure, adventure, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Easy.
At every corner.
Yeah, no, lovely. Yeah.
Uthi usehle ashini ube uskydiver. Skydive lebhlorhweni apho uzobhanje jumpa khona. So bhanje jumpeni ukhwela imoto ye racetrack. Kuyelena le. Oh, yeah.
That sounds like my perfect weekend.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, now I'm definitely on an adventure. Wow, relax.
Dark and lovely. No thanks.
You can relax with that relaxation. I know. And it's weird though. But relaxa. Because other people seem to have so much fun.
No, do you know why? Because you can always find a moment to relax. But adventure is something that it's not just something you can do.
Fair.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
Thanks for that. That was fun, man.
Yeah,
I love these so much. Just gonna say that every weekend.
Okay. Every day.
I just want to end off with one of our blings gave us a quote. Guys, if you guys have quotes that you want to see on the board, please feel free to send them to us and we'll put them on. There is no testimony without a test. I mean,
Love to hear it.
yeah.
Yeah, and I think you know me, the son is practical, and I actually tried. I was just like, oh, okay, what an interesting quote. Then I was just like, email test. Then it's only a imoni. Yeah, Ibon. So iyasebenza. If I'm remove test kaloku testimony kusheka u-imoni.
Imoni.
Exactly. What? So it doesn't exist without a test.
Okay. I guess. Do with that what you will, but ultimately, as Bali's story when nothing happened. Do you know what I mean? You're just like, what happened? Oh no, Miss California.
Yeah.
So when you do feel tested, just know ultimately uzokwazi testify ngalo.
Absolutely. And always remember also, no great story ever started with a salad.
The salad. Don't forget.
Love each other.
That's Casey.